Have you ever held a 1,000 Naira note and actually stopped to think about it? Not just used it, but really looked at it. The colours, the texture, the way that patch on the front shifts colour when you tilt it. Most of us use money every day without ever wondering where it comes from. Well, today we are going to change that. The story of how a 1,000 Naira note is made is one of the most fascinating industrial stories you will ever hear, and it begins somewhere you would never expect. It begins in a cotton field in northern Nigeria. That is right, the note in your wallet started its life as a cotton plant. Nigerian currency is not made from ordinary paper. It is made from cotton fibre, and that changes everything about how you think about money. Cotton fibre makes currency paper far stronger, more durable, and harder to fake than any wood pulp paper. A cotton banknote can survive being accidentally washed. It can be folded thousands of times without falling apart. It can pass through millions of hands over years and still hold together. And so every morning at the Nigerian Security Printing and Minting Facility in Abuja, the heavily secured factory where every Naira note is produced, the day begins with the arrival of cotton. Large white bales of pure cotton arriving in sealed armoured trucks escorted by Nigerian police, each bale tracked from the moment it left its farm in Kano State. Nothing enters this facility without a complete verified record. Nothing moves inside without being tracked. Once the cotton bales are inside the secure warehouse, the real work begins. The cotton bales are fed into enormous machines called bale breakers, machines with rotating steel teeth that violently tear the compressed bales apart, reducing them to loose, fluffy, white fibre clumps. The air fills with white cotton fibres like a snowstorm. Those fibres then travel through transparent pneumatic pipes where sensor systems scan every clump for contamination. Any fibre carrying even a microscopic metal particle is ejected from the stream. Only perfectly pure cotton moves forward. Then, that pure cotton enters a massive sealed pressure vessel called a digester, a giant industrial pressure cooker. Inside, carefully measured alkali solutions and high-pressure steam treat the cotton at intense temperatures, stripping away every trace of natural wax and oil. After multiple rinse cycles with pure water, the cotton that emerges is chemically neutral, absolutely white, and purer than anything you have seen. From there, the purified fibres enter a refiner, a precision grinding machine that processes them down to a specific microscopic fibre length. What comes out the other side is not cotton in any form you would recognise. It is a thick, smooth, luminous, milky white liquid. Liquid cotton. This extraordinary substance is the raw material of the 1,000 Naira note, and it is pumped into a large mixing vat where powerful agitators create a strong swirling vortex. And then, at exactly the right moment, something special happens. Tiny microscopic fibres, red, green and gold, Nigeria's national colours, are released into that vortex and immediately begin spiralling outward in a completely random pattern throughout the white cotton pulp. These coloured security fibres will become permanently embedded inside the paper itself, not printed on top, physically inside the paper structure forever, in a pattern impossible to replicate. This is the first layer of security built into the 1,000 Naira note, and it happens before a single drop of ink has been involved. After additional chemical treatments, the liquid cotton pulp flows into one of the most impressive machines in the facility, the Fourdrinier paper forming machine, stretching dozens of metres across the factory floor. The liquid pulp is sprayed in a perfectly even layer onto a fast-moving wire mesh belt, and the moment it lands, something remarkable happens. The individual cotton fibres instantly begin to interlock and bond, forming a continuous web while water drains downward. What started as liquid is already becoming paper, but before this wet paper web moves further, two of the most critical security features are permanently built into it. First, a large engraved roller called a dandy roll presses into the still wet paper surface, displacing fibres in the exact shape of the portrait of Alhaji Aliyu Mai Bornu and the numeral 1000. This creates thinner areas that, when you hold a finished note up to light, appear. Now we enter the most tightly controlled section, the high security printing hall. Before any ink touches the paper, the inks are created from scratch inside the NSBM's own ink laboratory, where robotic systems combine precisely measured pigments to create the exact colours of the 1,000 Naira note. These inks are ground until every pigment particle is reduced to sub-micron fineness. The first printing stage uses simultaneous offset printing. Watch what happens to a blank currency sheet as it passes through this enormous machine. At the first roller contact, almost nothing changes, the faintest whisper of pale green. Then, pass by pass, the design builds. The borders of 40 individual note positions appear. The intricate Gillick security patterns emerge. Text positions appear. The portrait of Alhaji Aliyu Mari Bornu begins as a soft suggestion and sharpens into a recognisable face. By the time the sheet exits, both sides carry the rich, authentic colours of genuine Nigerian currency. But offset printing is only the foundation. The next press, the intaglio press, is where the 1,000 Naira note gets its most distinctive characteristic. Intaglio printing uses hardened steel plates, where every design element is engraved to microscopic depth. Thick paste, like ink, is applied across the plate, then wiped away from flat areas, leaving ink packed only inside the engraved grooves. The cotton paper is then pressed against the plate under 30 tons of hydraulic pressure. The paper is forced into every ink-filled groove. The ink bonds at a molecular level. As the paper is pulled away, the ink rises with it, standing in crisp, raised ridges above the surface. Run your fingertip across a genuine note and feel those ridges on the portrait, on the bold numerals. That physical texture is the result of 30 tons of pressure in one of the most sophisticated printing processes in the world. It cannot be replicated by any ordinary machine. After intaglio printing, the sheets enter the area where the holographic CBN Eagle foil is stamped onto each note with heat and pressure. The hologram creates a three-dimensional shifting colour effect because it contains millions of microscopic optical structures that redirect light in ways impossible to reproduce without the original equipment. Then, the optically variable ink, that bold 1,000 numeral that shifts from gold to green as you tilt the note, is applied. Under ultraviolet light, a complete hidden
Guard, status on this section? All secure, sir.
design appears, a detailed map of Nigeria surrounded by traditional patterns, invisible under normal light but glowing under UV. Every security feature is verified by automated scanners. Then in the numbering hall, hardened steel wheels stamp every note with its unique serial number in red and black magnetic ink, a number shared by no other note in Nigerian history. The completed sheets are cut by a massive guillotine into thousands of individual notes that cascade onto conveyors.
Proceed to the access point. Yes, sir. Moving now.
In a stream of deep green. Every single note passes through a final scanner, verifying all security features in under 10 milliseconds. Perfect notes are counted at 2,000 per minute, bundled in groups of 100, assembled into sealed bricks of 1,000 notes, 1 million Naira per package, vacuum sealed, packed into reinforced cartons, and moved into the outbound.
Cargo secured. Moving out.
Confirmed. Proceed to Sector B.
Path is clear. Copy that.
Halt. Then the armoured convoy departs through Abuja under Nigerian police escort to the Central Bank of Nigeria, where every note is officially counted and entered into Nigeria's money supply as legal tender. From a cotton field in Kano to the note in your hand, every single note you have ever held passed through these extraordinary.
Confirming manifest. Door codes match. Affirmative. Digital logs updated. All secure? Yes. Checking the log. Clear to proceed. Noted. Moving to next.
Stages. Every note carries security features built across layers of technology. Every note represents the faith and trust of a nation.
Next pallet to bay 3. Copy that. Moving. Careful with the labels.
So the next time you hold a 1,000 Naira note, take a moment and really look at it. Tilt it. Feel it. Hold it to the light. That note is not just money. It is a masterpiece of Nigerian engineering, security, and national pride. Every note, a promise. Every note. Nigeria.